How are we doing, everybody? I'm Cody Mountjoy. This is Happy Host Cars and Stuff, and in this video, I have the before and after for the Whoosh Catted Downpipe. The before is going to be with my Milltek exhaust on, and the after is obviously after I put the downpipe on. So, hope you guys enjoy, and here you go. Thank you everybody for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please feel free to like it and leave your comments in the comment section below. Also be sure to subscribe and ring that bell. If you want to watch one of my other videos, click the link at the top left, or you can watch the downpipe install in the top right. Have a good one.